What if I told you you could earn interest every time you buy groceries, fill up your gas tank, or pay your electric bill? No, I'm not talking about credit card points or some gimmick. I'm talking about a strategy that lets you take control of your money and build wealth with the same dollars you already spend every month. This is the power of the infinite banking concept, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to use it in your everyday life. We're starting with the basics: how to use a policy loan to pay for your regular expenses, like food, gas, and bills, and then repay that loan with the money you are already going to spend. The result? You start earning uninterrupted interest on your money while using it at the same time. This is how the wealthy think. And now, you can too. Most people go through life in survival mode. You get paid, you spend it, and it's gone. Rent, gas, groceries, utilities. You work hard just to cover the basics. But here's the problem. Every time you spend $1, that dollar is gone forever. You exchange it for a product or a service, and that's the end of the story. Even if you use a debit card or pay cash, which sounds smart, you're still losing the opportunity to earn anything on that money. And if you're using a credit card, now you're paying interest to someone else, just for the privilege of borrowing your own future income. Month after month, you earn, you spend, you save a little, if you're lucky. But the system is designed to keep you exactly where you are. You're not building wealth, you're not earning interest, you're just surviving. That's the problem. But infinite banking offers a way for you to get a leg up without changing what you spend, just how you spend it. Let's break it down. Here's how infinite banking changes everything without changing your lifestyle. Let's say you've already built up some cash value in your whole life insurance policy, or front-loaded it with some cash. That cash value is growing every day, earning guaranteed interest and dividends, whether you touch it or not. Now, instead of spending money from your checking account on things like groceries, gas, and bills, you take a policy loan against your cash value. Let's say your monthly expenses are about $4,000. You take a $4,000 loan from your policy and use that money for your day-to-day life. But here's the key. That loan doesn't reduce your cash value. Your full cash value stays intact and continues to grow uninterrupted. Meanwhile, you repay the loan using the same $4,000 you were already planning to spend anyway. So what changed? Instead of just spending money and watching it disappear, you've created a private banking system for yourself. One where your dollars never stop working. You're using leverage to keep your money compounding while still being able to access it for everyday needs. The strategy is simple. Borrow, spend, repay, repeat. And every time you do it, you keep the engine of compounding interest running. You're no longer giving away the opportunity cost of spending money. You're capturing it. And that's what banks do every day. They loan money out, earn interest, and keep their capital moving. Now you're the one in control. You've become your own banker by changing the way you think about money. Let's walk through a simple example so you can see exactly how this works in real life. Imagine you've built up $10,000 in cash value inside your infinite banking policy. That money is growing every single day, let's say at 4% guaranteed, plus potential dividends. Now, let's say your regular monthly expenses, groceries, gas, utilities, maybe a phone bill, add up to $1,000. Instead of spending that $1,000 directly from your bank account, you take a $1,000 policy loan from the life insurance company. The loan is secured by your cash value, but your full $10,000 stays untouched and continues earning interest, just like a line of credit backed by your own savings. Over the next few weeks, you use the loan to cover your everyday costs. And at the end of the month, you repay the $1,000 back to your policy, because that money was already budgeted for those expenses anyway. So what's the benefit? While you use a policy loan for your bills, your full cash value was still compounding inside your policy, uninterrupted. The interest those dollars wouldn't have been able to earn had you just used them like usual is now earning interest for the rest of your life because you funneled them through your policy. And because you paid the loan back, your system is ready to do it again next month. That's the cycle. Your money earns interest, even while you use it. Month after month, your dollars keep moving, just like banks do. And the more you do this, the more powerful your system becomes over time. The truth is, you already spend money every day, but infinite banking gives you a way to recycle those dollars so they keep working for you, even after you've spent them. This isn't some theory. It's a strategy used by banks, corporations, and wealthy families for generations. Now, you have access to the same tools, and hopefully, we are helping you develop the same mindset as well. Instead of living paycheck to paycheck, Instead of relying on someone else's system, you've started building your own. That's what it means to think like a banker. If you found this helpful, check out the next video in the IBC and Me series, where we'll show you how to use IBC to make large purchases, like cars, the smart way. And if you're ready to build your own IBC strategy, subscribe and dig into the full playlist. It's time to break loose and take control of your financial future.